I'm actually at Bar Capione in Victoria Island. I've heard so much about this place, actually. It's beautiful. The ambience is really nice. I'm here to try the Italian cuisine. I've heard they have a very impeccable menu. So once I see what they have to offer, I'm sure I'll be able to tell you guys what you can order. So let me look at the menu. Let me move this. Wow, all these Italian dishes, I mean, they're very, very complicated. Maybe I should get the chef to help me. Excuse me? Can I see your chef by any chance? Okay, thank you.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. I'm Janique.
I'm Samir, Chef Samir Ali.
Nice to meet you.
So,
Go ahead.
so what would you like to have?
Well, I've heard about your restaurant, and I hear you guys have really good Italian cuisine.
Exactly,
So,
good Italian food.
but I'm also Lagosian, and I like spice.
Okay, you like spicy?
Yes, so I would like to have the taste of Italy as well as the
Okay.
spice of Lagos.
So you like risotto? Like we have the
Risotto?
Seafood. You love the seafood?
Yes, maybe we can take a look at
Like
the
I have
menu.
Here, let me show you for testing. The risotto is here.
Okay.
Risotto seafood. It's like same like Nigerians love the seafood and then risotto.
Risotto.
It's the Italian rice.
Okay.
It look like exactly the Nigerian rice.
Okay.
And a bit of spicy and then a tomato spicy sauce.
Oh, so we'll have the risotto marinara. Is that correct?
Yes. And if you like the chicken, then we
Okay.
have the grilled chicken. The polo scallopine. It's very
Polo
famous.
scallopini.
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly. People like a lot here.
Okay.
It comes with the mushroom sauce.
Oh, very nice.
And the grilled chicken breast. So would you like to have those things?
Yes, Amir has sold me, so we'll definitely see what you're gonna.
I'll make it in front of you, so if you come to the kitchen.
Oh, great! I get to go into the kitchen, so we'll stay tuned and we'll see what Amir teaches me in the kitchen. So I'm actually in the kitchen, Amir's kitchen at Bar Capione. He's working right now, so we're gonna zoom into him and he's gonna teach us how to make that meal we're about to eat.
Hi.
So,
So yeah,
tell me what's going on.
it's nothing, just fighting in the kitchen.
Okay.
So you're going to start with risotto.
Making risotto.
So my you like the spicy one.
Right.
So now we have here oil.
Oil. Now that's vegetable oil, right?
No, it's olive oil.
Olive. Oh, even better. Even better.
Olive
Yeah.
oil. It's low fat.
Yes, it is.
Yeah. So let us give us 2 minutes or 3 minutes time to get a
Okay.
And take some garlic.
Good. Garlic is always good.
Garlic.
All right.
You have your onions.
Onions.
Let's saute for some time.
Okay, so we're sauteing at the moment.
And then it's like 2 minutes, not even that.
Okay.
The medium fire, my fire is a little higher.
All right.
So let's go for our seafood.
Smell is
Yeah, let's see if
amazing.
we have the calamari,
Oh.
cracker fish, and the shrimps.
Okay.
So we were here.
So-
Let's saute this.
Oh, very nice.
And just add a little of salt. So your
Okay.
seafood will cook it before you put in something.
All right.
White wine.
White wine.
After you saute your seafood, just cook for a little. And then add your tomato sauce. The tomato sauce.
Okay.
Let us cook for a while.
So we'll mix everything in there together.
Yeah, exactly.
This is the Nigerian chili. This looks really spicy. Okay, so we'll go.
So let me add. You like more spicy or little spicy? So like some-
Little spicy,
yeah.
Amir. Little spicy.
So here is the little spicy chili.
Okay. So the risotto's mixed in.
With the risotto. As the risotto is done here.
That looks good.
Yeah. And now I'm going to add some seasonings. Parsley,
Parsley.
basil,
Ah, look at that.
salt,
Let's look at that.
salt, pepper. Okay. And now I just put the small water.
Okay, water.
And let it be cooked in the medium fire.
Okay. So the simmers.
Simmer, yeah. So it'll absorb and take a little time to cook.
Okay.
Get all the seafood and everything. Then in the meantime, now I'll cook the grilled chicken. I'll get ready the
Okay.
chicken for you.
Oh,
Take
okay.
your side. So
Oh.
just season this one. Olive
And
oil.
that's olive oil.
Garlic. Parsley.
Wow,
Salt.
that looks good.
Pepper. And just season it.
This is very interesting.
It's very easy. And then here is the season and rub everything where
Right?
here and then now I'm going to grill this one for you.
Okay, so I'm gonna move on this side and we
This is the
can
grill.
get.
This is the grill. Then you put some small oil here. This won't stick it.
Okay,
Otherwise, it won't stick it on top of it.
so we put oil in it so it doesn't stick. Okay? This food looks really good. As you see, I'm sweating, but my food is gonna taste so good. And when I'm sitting in the air condition, I love it.
Here and then we just, when order comes, we just do it like here. Here, look at you see the grill max.
Ah,
And the grill max here. Let me saute this mushroom a little.
so it's the mushroom and the garlic that's sauteed with a little bit of olive oil.
Olive oil.
Okay.
Add some parsley here. Now let me add the cream to the sauce, mushroom sauce.
Oh.
I think the salt is less.
Let me taste it.
Salt is less.
Oh wow. Oh wow, that's good.
Here, so let me put a little water here. So it's like a little not should be dry.
Wow, it tastes so good. There's so much flavor in it.
Yes, and then let me add a Parmesan cheese to it. It's
Okay.
Italian. Without Parmesan cheese, the Italian food is not complete.
Oh,
So let me
okay.
add small Parmesan cheese here. So risotto here.
And we just took under 15 minutes to prepare this meal. It smells good, it tastes good, and I can't wait for you to see my expression when I eat it.
I'm going to serve this now.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Here. So let me do the garnish. I'm just sweating. This kitchen is too hot.
We're all sweating.
Some fried tomatoes and the fried basil.
Okay, that's garnishes.
This is the garnish. You can do garnish anything, whatever you feel like, whatever you have
Okay.
at home. Here's a little parsley. And
Oh.
some Parmesan cheese on top. So risotto is done.
And that comes with the mushroom sauce.
Yes, here is the chicken now. Now
Wow.
let me just see your mushroom sauce here.
So after you let it sit for a while, when you're ready for it, you put it back on the stove.
So now let me taste for it. Let me add a little taste. Let me add some mushroom sauce, Parmesan cheese here.
Smells good. Okay.
It's done, so we'll just do a small garnish here.
We'll put basil and
Fried basil. We'll just take the fried tomatoes here.
so those are actually fried.
Yeah, it's fried. It's fried.
Oh.
It look good, and the people can eat.
Right.
Yeah. So let's some parsley here for the garnish.
Okay.
So here is your chicken is ready. Here's the food.
Okay.
Your risotto. So now it's going to be a serve on your table very soon.
Thank you very much, Amir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. It was a
Pleasure.
great
Thank you.
experience.
Pleasure. Thank you.
So I'll see you in the dining hall, and Amir and I are going to talk more about the food. Okay.